I'm James Swinney, and here is your morning market brief. We first begin overseas with the major Asian Pacific markets once again trading on the downside. Japan's Nikkei 225 index today down 1.3%, and China's Shanghai Composite, that was also on the downside, 2.8%. Meanwhile, European markets this morning, they are for the most part higher, led by London and Italy. And in the United States, the U.S. stock futures, they were pointing towards a positive open after the bell. The Dow Jones right now on the upside, just about 21 points. Now we first begin over in Europe as German retail sales rose 0.4% in February, this time coming in just above estimates calling for a 0.6% decline. Meanwhile, the number of unemployed in the nation increased by 13,000 during the month of March. Economists did predict that that number would fall by 2,000. And everybody continued to be focused on Cyprus as their banks opened their doors today for the first time in nearly 2 weeks. And even though people were concerned about a run in banks, thus far there are no signs of such a run. Meanwhile, in the United States, in terms of economic reports, U.S. GDP figures, they expanded a total of 0.4% in the fourth quarter, therefore coming above the government's previous estimate of 0.1%. Initial jobless claims in the United States for the week ending March 23rd, that came in at 357,000, up from 341,000 the previous week. And continuing claims figures at the same time, they were edged downwards, 3.05 million from 3.07 million. And just released, well, not too long ago, the Chicago PMI March survey, that came in just short of expectations for the month of March, coming in at a total of 52.4 versus 56.8 the previous month.